What up, y'all? Welcome back to Chronic Eats. We're doing some quick pad ki mao tonight. I had this red pepper, but it was not looking too good, so I had to toss it, but I got some other stuff. Alright, oil in the pan. That's extra virgin olive oil. There's some chopped garlic and some chopped ginger. About to get these aromatics going to start the show. And while that's heating up, cilantro, green onions, a tiny piece of tomato, onions of course. I need to buy more now. And the beef I'm using, which is sirloin steak I made last night. I chopped up, pretty medium. Here we go. Toss those onions in there, coat them in the garlic and ginger with the olive oil or whatever oil you have. That's where we're at so far. A little salt and pepper and whatever other spice you like in there as well. I just put smoked paprika and a little cayenne pepper. Get your noodles ready. Get your meat ready. Get your sauces ready. Fish sauce right there. Get you a little bit of water, like a shot glass or two off to the side. Get that meat and the noodles in there. Dump that water in there, close the lid. Should do up those noodles pretty nice. See you in a minute. Get your sauce in there. Green onion, cilantro, and put the lid on. And there we have it. Usually I'd like to have some green pepper or whatever, something else to put in there, but not tonight. I'm pretty bummed I forgot to make some rice. Rice would go on the bottom of this. But basically that's it, you guys. So the ratios on the sauce: about 2 teaspoons of the hoisin, 1 teaspoon of the fish sauce, and 1 teaspoon of soy. That was it. If I didn't explain that earlier, I know I didn't. I just want to throw that out there. And there you go, you guys. Pad ki mao without rice. Alright, please smash the subscribe button. Please smash that like button. Please share this with all your friends. Look how delicious this is. You know they want to learn how to make this as well. So do me that favor. It's not much. Helps out a lot. Alright, have a great night. Watch one of these next videos on screen. And Chronic Eats out. Peace.